In cricket, it is often said to never commit yourself to a certain stance. If the last 3 balls of the bowler have been full-length deliveries and the batsman has been forced to play on the front foot, he shouldn't brace himself for another full-length delivery. What if the bowler bowls a short pitch delivery and takes the batsman by surprise? The batsman should know what to do to combat a short pitch delivery as well as what to do if he bowls a full-length one. Okay, so where am I going with all this? Expecting the unexpected. Sound familiar? No? Alright. Expecting the unexpected is basically preparing yourself for an outcome you might not be expecting. You can expect the unexpected in 2 ways. 1. Preparing yourself for an outcome better than the one you are expecting. And 2. Preparing yourself for an outcome worse than the one you are expecting. Let me illustrate both these situations with the help of examples. Consider the sentence. I came in for a pint of milk and left with a sack of goodies. So this falls under the first situation wherein we obtain an outcome better than the one we were expecting. Now consider this sentence. I came in for a pint of milk and left with neither a pint of milk nor a sack of goodies. So this falls under the second situation wherein we obtain an outcome worse than the one we were expecting. 2020 was marred by a calamity that took the whole world by surprise and had us fighting for our lives. This calamity was COVID. Even a superpower like the USA found itself on the back foot when COVID came knocking. Let's dig a bit deeper and try to find out the reason behind this. It's simple. USA did not expect the unexpected. Not expecting the unexpected can sometimes lead to severe consequences, as in the case of the USA. The famous Greek philosopher Heraclitus once said, "If you do not expect the unexpected, you will not find it, for it is neither to be reached by search or trail." By this, Heraclitus implies that expecting the unexpected usually takes place in an instant. It is a momentary flash of understanding that dawns upon you only to go away 10 seconds later. An essential quality to possess in life is that of a boxer's mindset. If he's been punched down, he's only got 10 seconds to get up and punch back harder. The same can be said for the unexpected. If you come into contact with it, don't panic. Think with a clear mind, focus on the goal ahead, and you will surely find your way back. This is called adaptation to change. So I guess the message I want to give to everyone out there is that we live in a challenging world where the future is usually uncertain. Expecting the unexpected gives us scope to see through this uncertainty. It instills hope and confidence in us, but most of all, it prepares us and brings us back to reality. As Oscar Wilde put it, to expect the unexpected shows a thoroughly modern intellect. Thank you.